came here with the idea of doing a hackbattle on the Rijksmuseum API to link it into LinkedIn and give it degrees of separation. We think it's important to give back to the open data providers and actually augment their own data, because they've done a lot of work for us. But in the end, what we thought was more important was we actually decided to make a link to bol.com so that the people providing the open data to us, in this case the Rijksmuseum, could monetize their investment in API making, which we all benefit from. So I'm going to quickly switch to an iPad simulator. This is a simulator of an iPad app which we've got for the Rijksmuseum. And if I come down here, you'll see that we've got 2 extra buttons linked into it. The first one is the first hack we were doing called LinkedIn Culture Connect. This actually takes me, my LinkedIn profile, and it tries to find as many groups between me and the picture which I'm looking at, so that I can actually feel connected with the artwork or the thing that I'm looking at. I deliberately made it obscure. I could have said that I was interested in art, and it would have just been 1 degree of separation. So I said I'm a programmer, and if I click here, it loads all the different groups, and you'll find there's 37 groups between me as a programmer and Vermeer's milkmaid. I'll quickly go over just time of the essence. So what we did is we decided to link the whole process into bol.com. So this is the bol.com content of a book that you could buy if you're interested in it. We included the same separation thing here, so this is actually saying that the complete works of Vermeer, the book which I'm looking at, actually mentions the National Gallery of Art, and the Milkmaid has also been shown in there. And finally, what we did is just link the whole buying process in here. So I can click the buy button and it'll go on to bol.com. So, and some of the commission can go back to the Rijksmuseum or people that spent all the time and energy making the data in the first place. Just finally, to finish up, we spoke to Jill Cousins, who's the head of the Europeana, who have 2,200 data partners providing cultural data in Europe. And she thought that she was really enthusiastic about it. She thinks it's something which, if we turn it into a platform, and that's what I think we want to try and do, is turn it into something which is not just a one-off, but a monetization platform for cultural API providers. 1 second.